MascotGO pulls insights for Johns Hopkins University. See what students are posting about Johns Hopkins University. Students discussing Johns Hopkins highlight its exceptional reputation in pre-med, public health, and research fields. Many weigh JHU against Duke, Northwestern, Emory, and Washington University in St. Louis, considering factors like research access, financial aid, and campus setting. Conversations emphasize the university's challenging academic environment, robust advising for professional pathways, and strong global recognition in science and medicine. Students also note the urban setting of Baltimore and the academically focused campus culture when making final decisions. Students describe Johns Hopkins as a highly challenging academic environment, particularly in STEM and health-related fields. The intensity of coursework and competition is acknowledged as part of the university's culture. While the rigor appeals to highly motivated students, conversations reflect that balancing workload and well-being requires intentional effort. Students often discuss the importance of financial aid when considering Johns Hopkins. While the university has improved its need-based aid offerings, affordability remains a deciding factor for many prospective applicants. Comparisons to merit aid offers from peer institutions can sway final enrollment choices. Students pursuing pre-med tracks at Johns Hopkins often discuss the competitive nature of the environment. While strong preparation for medical school is seen as a benefit, the level of competition can also contribute to stress. Peer support networks and advising resources are emphasized as important factors in navigating the pre-health culture. Students considering Johns Hopkins often compare it to schools like Duke, Northwestern, Emory, and WashU. Academic reputation, research access, campus environment, and financial aid packages are key factors in final decisions. The decision often hinges on whether a student prefers a highly research-driven undergraduate experience or a broader liberal arts approach. Johns Hopkins is recognized internationally for its leadership in scientific research, public health, and medicine. Students value the global prestige associated with a Johns Hopkins degree, particularly for careers in healthcare, policy, and academia. This reputation often strengthens long-term opportunities for graduate study and international work. Students frequently cite Johns Hopkins' outstanding reputation in pre-med and health sciences as a major reason for applying. Its strong ties to the Johns Hopkins Hospital and broad research opportunities in medicine and public health are consistent discussion points. Prospective students targeting medical school or careers in healthcare often view Johns Hopkins as one of the top academic environments to prepare for those paths. Johns Hopkins' social scene is often described as more low-key compared to larger universities with strong athletic programs. Students note that campus culture tends to center around academic and research interests rather than sports or Greek life. Prospective students seeking a socially vibrant, sports-focused atmosphere sometimes weigh this dynamic when choosing between JHU and peer schools. Johns Hopkins' heavy emphasis on research is a defining feature highlighted across online discussions. Students value the accessibility of undergraduate research positions across disciplines, particularly in health, science, and engineering fields. Hands-on research experience is frequently mentioned as a core part of the undergraduate journey at Johns Hopkins. Students frequently mention that while Johns Hopkins has a beautiful campus, its Baltimore location is a point of consideration. Conversations reflect both appreciation for the cultural opportunities nearby and concerns about campus safety and urban navigation. Students often advise weighing how comfortable one